Ever wondered what it really takes to launch and run a US business, especially if you're not a US resident? The paperwork, the regulations, the bank accounts, the taxes. It can feel like a labyrinth, right? What if there was a single platform that could cut through all that complexity, offering you a clear path from idea to thriving enterprise? For entrepreneurs, freelancers, and global founders looking to tap into the immense opportunities of the US market, the thought of navigating its intricate business landscape can be daunting. You've got your brilliant idea, your passion, your drive, but then you hit the wall of legalities, compliance, and financial infrastructure. How do you form your LLC? How do you get an employer identification number, EIN? What about a US bank account, a physical address, or even just understanding your tax obligations? These aren't minor hurdles. They can be absolute showstoppers if you don't have the right guidance. And that's where Doola steps in. Imagine having a dedicated partner, a business in-a-box solution that handles all the back-office essentials, allowing you to focus on what you do best: building and growing your vision. Doola positions itself as precisely that, an all-in-one platform designed to simplify US business formation and ongoing management, whether you're down the street or across an ocean. So let's break down the core question. What support do you actually get with Doola? We're talking about more than just a quick filing service. Doola aims to provide comprehensive, continuous support that covers the entire life cycle of your US business. 1. Seamless business formation. Your foundation built right. The very first step for any new business is proper formation, and Doola makes this surprisingly straightforward, even for non-US residents. They specialize in forming LLCs, limited liability companies, C-Corp, and even DAO LLCs, offering guidance on which structure might be best for your specific needs. LLC formation in any US state. Doola handles all the paperwork, filings, and registration with your chosen state. This means less time spent poring over complex legal documents and more time on your product or service. They ensure your articles of organization are correctly filed and that you meet all state-specific requirements. Registered agent service. Every US business needs a registered agent, a physical address in the state of formation to receive official government correspondence and legal documents. Doola provides this crucial service, ensuring you remain compliant and never miss important notices. This is particularly vital for international founders who don't have a physical presence in the US. Operating agreement. For LLCs, an operating agreement is a foundational document outlining the ownership structure, responsibilities of members, and how the business will be managed. Doola assists in drafting this, providing a solid legal framework for your company from day one. EIN acquisition. The Employer Identification Number, EIN, is your business's federal tax ID, essential for everything from opening a bank account to filing taxes. Doola expedites the process of obtaining your EIN from the IRS, which can often be a bottleneck for international founders. They understand the specific requirements for non-US citizens and streamline the application. This initial formation support is critical because getting it wrong can lead to serious compliance issues down the line. Doola's expertise ensures you start on a strong, legally sound footing. 2. Establishing your US presence. More than just an address. Once your business is legally formed, you need a functional presence in the US to truly operate. Doola extends its support to cover these practical necessities. US business address, virtual address for many, especially international entrepreneurs or those operating remotely. A physical US address is a necessity. Doola provides a virtual business address that can be used for official correspondence, mail, and establishing credibility. This isn't just a PO box. It often comes with mail scanning and forwarding services, allowing you to manage your postal mail digitally from anywhere in the world. Some plans even include a true physical address with a lease agreement and utility bill for enhanced proof of address, which can be crucial for certain banking and payment gateway applications. US business phone number. Having a local US phone number adds a layer of professionalism and accessibility for your US customers and partners. Doola can help you set this up, further solidifying your presence. US business bank account assistance. This is often one of the biggest challenges for non-US founders. Doola understands this pain point deeply and provides significant support in helping you open a U.S. business bank account. They partner with various financial institutions and guide you through the application process, helping you compile the necessary documents and meet banking requirements. A U.S. bank account is essential for accepting payments, managing finances, and building credit history within the U.S. financial ecosystem. Access to U.S. payment systems, Stripe, PayPal, etc. Once you have a U.S. bank account, Doola further assists by guiding you on how to set up payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. This is crucial for e-commerce businesses and anyone needing to accept payments seamlessly from U.S. customers. They understand the nuances of these platforms and help ensure your setup is smooth and compliant. 3. Ongoing compliance and tax management. Staying legal year after year. Forming your business is just the beginning. The ongoing compliance and tax obligations are where many businesses stumble, especially with the complexities of U.S. tax law. Doola aims to be your long-term compliance partner. Annual state filings. States require annual reports or statements to keep your business in good standing. Doola handles these annual state filings, ensuring you don't miss deadlines and incur penalties. IRS tax filings. This is arguably the most intimidating aspect for many. Doola offers comprehensive support for federal tax filings, including preparing and submitting your annual IRS tax return. They have in-house tax and CPA teams who understand the nuances of U.S. tax regulations for various business structures and can provide expert guidance. CPA consultation. Depending on your plan, Doola provides CPA consultations. This means you have direct access to certified public accountants who can answer your tax questions, provide strategic advice, and help you understand your tax liabilities and opportunities for deductions. This is invaluable for proactive tax planning. Bookkeeping and business analytics. Doola Books. Doola offers its own financial management platform, Doola Books, or integrates with popular accounting software. This tool helps you track income and expenses, link multiple bank accounts, and generate financial health reports. For higher tier plans, a dedicated human bookkeeper can manage your financials, providing accurate records and peace of mind, especially for e-commerce businesses managing multi-state sales tax. Sales tax compliance. For e-commerce businesses, sales tax can be a nightmare. Doola provides support with initial sales tax registration in one state and can help obtain reseller certificates, ensuring you navigate these complex regulations correctly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.